These AI mechanical toy videos are getting millions of views right now, and some creators are growing to hundreds of thousands of followers just by posting clips like this. But here's the insane part. Most of these videos are being made in under 3 minutes using completely free AI tools. And once you see how easy this is, you'll understand why this trend is exploding. Look at these pages. 22 million views, 31 million views. Millions of followers gained from simple AI-generated mechanical toy videos. At first, these look like expensive 3D animations, but they're not. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method creators are using to make these viral videos for free using ChatGPT and Google Flow. And the small trick that makes the videos look smooth, cinematic, and insanely satisfying is probably not what you expect. The first thing you need to understand is that these videos are not going viral because they are complicated. They are going viral because they instantly trigger curiosity. People scroll past normal content in seconds, but when they suddenly see a tiny mechanical bulldozer made out of gears or a miniature road roller moving with perfect satisfying motion, they stop immediately. That pause is everything. And now AI tools are making it possible for anyone to create these videos without knowing animation, design, or editing. So let's start from the beginning. First, open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPT section. This is where people are finding specialized AI tools designed for very specific tasks. Now in the search bar, type Mechanical Toy Generate. You'll immediately find GPTs built specifically for generating these viral concepts. Click on the first one and start the generator. Within seconds, it gives you something incredibly powerful. Not just one idea, 10 different viral-ready mechanical toy concepts instantly generated for you. And this is important because most people waste hours trying to think of ideas. But viral content usually comes from speed and volume. The faster you test ideas, the faster you find winners. Now look through the concepts carefully. Some will be construction vehicles, some will be tiny factory machines, some will look futuristic, others will have extremely satisfying movement patterns. You want to choose concepts that create visual curiosity immediately, something that makes people think, how is that moving like that? That reaction is what keeps viewers watching. For this example, I'm choosing the road roller concept because it has heavy, satisfying motion and a clean mechanical movement. Once you select your concept number, the GPT instantly generates multiple assets for you. And this is where things become insanely useful. Instead of giving you random vague prompts, it creates 2 image prompts and 1 detailed video prompt. But it also structures them across multiple AI models so you have different creative styles to choose from. Some outputs will look cinematic, some will look ultra-realistic, some will feel more toy-like and playful. Take a few seconds here because choosing the right style matters more than people think. The best performing videos usually combine 3 things: clean details, smooth motion, and satisfying mechanical design. Now copy the first image prompt. Next, head over to Google Flow. This is the tool doing most of the heavy lifting. Once you enter the platform, choose the image generation option from the menu. Before generating anything, check your settings carefully. A lot of beginners skip this part and their outputs look inconsistent. You want high quality rendering enabled, good lighting settings, and the aspect ratio that fits short form content properly. Once everything is ready, paste your first image prompt and hit generate. Now watch what happens. In just a few seconds, the AI creates an incredibly detailed mechanical toy scene with realistic textures, cinematic lighting, and perfectly structured design. And honestly, this is the moment most people realize how powerful AI tools have become. Because a few years ago, creating something like this required professional 3D software and hours of rendering. Now it happens almost instantly. But the next step is the real secret behind making these videos look professional instead of random AI clips. Most people completely miss this part. After your first image generates, choose the best looking result from the outputs. Then click the 3 dots on the image and select Add to Prompt. This single step changes everything because now the AI uses your first image as a visual reference for the second scene. That means the lighting stays consistent, the design stays consistent, the colors stay consistent, and most importantly, the entire video starts feeling like one connected cinematic animation instead of separate random generations. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy image prompt number 2. Paste it into Google Flow with your first image attached as the reference, then generate again. Within seconds, you'll have a second scene that perfectly matches the first one in style and atmosphere. And this is exactly what makes viewers subconsciously trust the quality of the video enough to keep watching. Now comes the part that turns simple AI images into a viral video. Go back inside Google Flow and switch from image mode to video mode. This is where everything finally comes together. Before generating, choose your preferred video settings carefully. Higher quality motion usually performs much better because these videos rely heavily on visual satisfaction. Now select your first generated image as the starting frame, then choose the second image as the ending frame. This tells the AI exactly where the motion should begin and where it should finish. And that small detail is what creates those smooth cinematic transitions people love watching on repeat. Next, copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT earlier. Paste it directly into Google Flow. The prompt already contains motion instructions, camera behavior, animation style, and scene dynamics, which means you do not need any professional animation knowledge. Now hit generate, and within seconds, your mechanical toy video starts coming to life. The gears begin rotating, the wheels start moving. Tiny mechanical parts shift perfectly into place, and suddenly, what looked like a static image becomes an ultra-realistic, satisfying animation that feels impossible to ignore while scrolling. This is exactly why these videos perform so well on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. They instantly capture attention without needing dialogue, storytelling, or even sound. The movement itself becomes the hook. And the best part? Once you understand this workflow, you can repeat it endlessly. Change the concept, change the machine type, change the art style, but keep the same structure. That is how creators are uploading multiple videos every single day while growing pages at insane speed. And honestly, most viewers still think these clips are made by professional studios. They have no idea one person with free AI tools can create them in minutes. Now here's something important most people overlook. The videos that usually explode are not always the most realistic ones. They are the most satisfying ones. That means you should focus on clean motion, interesting mechanical movement, strong lighting, and visually satisfying transformations. Sometimes a simple toy excavator with smooth movement performs better than an overly detailed, complicated design, because viral short-form content is all about immediate visual impact. You want viewers to stop scrolling instantly. And once you start testing different concepts consistently, you'll notice certain styles getting far more engagement than others. That's when the process becomes extremely powerful, because now you are no longer guessing. You are building a repeatable viral content system. One idea becomes 10 videos. 10 videos become a growing audience, and one successful format can completely change a page overnight. The craziest part is that this trend is still early. Most creators are either overcomplicating AI content, or they still have not realized how massive this niche is becoming. But the people moving early are already pulling millions of views from simple, satisfying mechanical toy animations exactly like these. And now, you know the entire process step by step, from generating the ideas, to creating cinematic images, to turning them into smooth, viral AI videos in just minutes. So now there's really only one thing left to do. Open the tools, start testing ideas, and upload your first video today. Because the creators who start experimenting now are the ones most likely to dominate this trend before everyone else catches on. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because there are a lot more viral AI content methods exploding right now, and the next one might be even bigger than this.